Welcome to my channel. If you are new, please like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. I truly appreciate it. And if you are joining me back, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope y'all make it to the end of this video. So if y'all didn't see my other video, I was showing y'all how I got a box, and I'm nosy as heck, so excuse me if y'all keep seeing me look through my window. That's just me. I went to the post office to get my boxes, and this is what I did. Oops, I'm sorry about that. I taped them all together. I taped 4 boxes of medium flat rate boxes. And it's the flat ones, the longer ones. So I taped 4 of those together. And then I put some lighting and paper on it and added a strip. Glued this little strip on the front to give it a little character there, y'all. So we are going to be putting together another Mother's Day gift basket idea. And if you saw those that went to Burlington's and got these big sets, this is what I am trying to put together. So that's why I created this long box and wrapped it up, so that I can put this together and add all the stuff that needs to be done. So let's get into that video right now, because we don't want it to be a long video. And y'all, I'm not going to wrap this on camera. I am going to try to put it together of the thoughts that's in my head, how I envision it. So I already put everything out here that I think I want to use onto this into this basket. So let's get with it. Let's get onto it. So thank y'all for hanging out. All right, y'all. So like I said, I already pulled a lot of things out of what I think I want to use into this. I put some wallpaper on this. This is what that is. This is why it's so thick, which is good. If you have wallpaper, that'd be even better to use. I didn't take the sticky part off. I just taped it onto the box like a gift wrapped. So yes, let's get started. This is so cute. Is that in the camera? I'm trying to make sure that is in the camera. So I got it going above my head. So we all got these, not all, but some of us got these bears here. And we're gonna place her right there. She is so adorable. So adorable. And I got some Olay body wash. I am a couponer too, y'all. I'm a jack of all trades. No, I'm a queen of all trades. So we got some Olay. A candle that I got from Burlington's. This candle was $1.49. Is that sure? $1.49. So let me take that off. Should have been done this already. This slows you down if you don't do it. Okay, I'm gonna leave that like that. So I got that for $1.49. What else? Oh, forgot my sparkling cider here. I picked up at CVS. They had this on clearance for $1. I think $1.37. I know it was $1 and something, y'all. So it's the big bottle versus the little bottles that you get at Dollar Tree. So I thought this would be cute. It's rose, so it's gonna go good with the color coordinating, in my opinion. I'm gonna use this sponge thing that I got from Walmart. These are $1. They're the big ones. I have so many from Burlington's, but I don't have like these colors, so that's why I needed to pick up that. And I forgot to pick up another one. Dang it. While I was in Walmart too, I forgot to pick another one up. Anywho's. Also, these wallets, these wallets were $1 at Walmart. It was on clearance. So I picked up that. I thought this would go good with the color scheme. So I'm gonna place that here. Okay, girl, get this together. Alright, so where I want to put it. Put it over here. I don't know where I want to put it at. So I want to let you hold the wallet. But I'm trying to do like a 3, like a 3, because I decorate too. So when I decorate my house and change things around, I like to have the concept of 3 things. Like, it's gotta be 3. It's like, it throws me off if it's 2. So I always gotta put something 3. I don't want you over there. I'm gonna put you over here. I think. At least for now. Fluff out your ears, girl. Okay, what else did I say? A candle. Oh, I got the candle. I got this. Oh, a mug for my third thing. That is so cute, right? Yoga pants and a coffee. So I do want to place that here, and it's the brand Opal House. And place that right there.
Oh no.